Call 911. Call
I'm
911.
gonna pay for the fucking damage they did to my car.
I didn't touch your car. I didn't touch your car.
Your fucking president is deporting my wife. We got 3 kids.
Hey, slow down.
My 4th child gonna be born in Mexico, you racist motherfucker.
Hey, slow down.
Fuck you, bitches. I have to abort my 4th child.
No, you
because
don't.
my
No, you
wife get deported, pussy.
You don't need
So
to
thank
abort your
Trump,
child,
pussy.
sir. Has nothing to do with that,
bitch.
sir.
Fuck you, bitch.
It has to-
Fuck you, bitch.
sir.
Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch.
It has to do with the anger in your heart, and Christ can
Donald
change
Trump
that.
is deporting
He's not
my
the problem.
wife.
He's not the problem. The problem is the condition of your heart.
Trump deported my wife. So my 4th child is going to be born
Call
in
911.
Mexico or be deported. So fuck you and fuck all you judgmental bitches.
Nobody's judging you, sir. You're judging yourself by your own actions, and the result is the murder of your own child.
Whoa.